Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Vigyan. In this video, we will talk about NIT Durgapur PhD admission 2023-24 fourth semester. First talking about NIT Durgapur, National Institute of Technology Durgapur, formerly Regional Engineering College Durgapur, was established by Act of Parliament in 1960. It was given the status of NIT in 2002. Now talking about PhD admission categories. Category A, Regular Research Scholar with Institute Scholarship. Category B, Regular Research Scholar with Financial Support from Government Program sponsored by DST, CSIR, UGC, MAITY. Category C, Regular Research Scholar selected in externally funded sponsored projects in the Institute. Category F, Professional Research Scholar from the Institute, NIT Durgapur faculty or staff. Category Z, Regular Sponsored Research Scholar from government or semi-government or other highly reputed organization or academic or research institution. Category H, Professional Research Scholar from industries. Category I, Professional Research Scholar from academic or research institution. Category K, Regular Research Scholar without institute fellowship, self-sponsored. Category L, Regular Research Scholar under collaborative or joint PhD programs. Now talking about departments and centers offering PhD program: biotechnology, civil engineering, chemical engineering, computer science and engineering, chemistry, electronics and communication, electrical engineering, earth and environmental studies, humanities and social studies, mathematics, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, management studies, physics, Center for Research on Environment and Water, Center for Biomedical Engineering and Assistive Technology, Center for Advanced Research on Energy, Center for Excellence on IoT and Intelligent Systems. Now talking about PhD seats with Institute Fellowship in Category A, Biotechnology 7, Civil Engineering 7, Chemical Engineering 7, Computer Science 15, Chemistry 6, Electronics and Communication 8, Electrical 9, Earth and Environmental 2, Humanities and Social Sciences 3, Mathematics 4, Mechanical 11, Metallurgical and Materials 6, Management 5, Physics 6, Center for Research in Crew, Beat, Care or IoTIS 4. Now talking about eligibility criteria for qualifying degree as MTech, ME, MArch, MPharm, MS, MBA, PGDBM or PGDM. For General 6.5 CGPA or 60% marks. For SC/ST 6 CGPA or 55% marks. For MSc, MCom, MBBS or BDS 6.5 CGPA for General or 60% and 6 CGPA or 55% marks for SC/ST. For MA, 6 CGPA or 55% marks for General and OBC. For SC/ST, 5.5 CGPA or 50% marks. For MCA, 7.5 CGPA or 70% marks for General or OBC. 7 CGPA or 65% marks for SC/ST. For BTech, BE, BR, BPharm or equivalent as qualifying degree, 7.5 CGPA or 70% marks for General and OBC. 7 CGPA or 65% marks for SC/ST. For CA, ICW, AI or CS with a graduation degree as a qualifying degree, 6 CGPA or 55% marks for General and OBC. For SC/ST, 5.5 CGPA or 50% marks. Now talking about academic and other qualification category wise. For category A, BTech, BE, BR, BPharm equivalent with valid GATE, MTech, ME, MArch or MPharm degrees with or without GATE qualification, other postgraduate or graduate degree as listed with any relevant NET qualification. List of NET, CSIR, UGC, GATE, GPAT, DBT, JRF, JEST, ICMR, ICAR, NBHM, Bioinformatics National Certification Examination. However, these NET qualification will have to be relevant in the qualifying degree of the candidate concerned. Categories B, C, D, E as per the term and condition of the funding or sponsor agency. Categories F, G, H, I, J and K same as category A, but GATE or NET qualification is not mandatory. For category L as per MOU signed. Now talking about selection process. Selection of PhD candidates under categories A, B, C, G, I and K. The shortlisting of application will be made by the respective departments based on documents submitted online, and only the shortlisted candidates will be intimated for an admission test and viva voce on the notified date. All shortlisted candidates shall appear for the admission test. There may be a further screening after the conduction of admission test and before viva voce depending upon the number of candidates. Selection of PhD candidates under categories F, H and J. Selection under these categories will be made directly subject to fulfillment of eligibility criteria fixed by the respective departments. A short listing of application will be made and the shortlisted candidates only will be called for viva voce. Selection of PhD candidates under category L as per MOU. Now talking about important dates. Opening date 5th May 2023 and closing date of online application is 24th May 2023. Publication of applicants list 30th May. Verification of submitted documents by the respective department 30th May to 5th June and publication of shortlisted candidates 8th June 2023. Admission test and viva voce by the respective department or center 14th to 17th June. Publication of result 20th June. Admission and enrollment of selected candidates or physical reporting 23rd June to 28th June. Publication of waitlisted candidates if any 30th June. Admission of candidates from waitlisted if required 4th July to 5th July 2023. Now talking about application process. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of NIT Durgapur. Now talking about application fee. For SC, ST, PWD and women candidates 1500, for others 2000 and mode of payment will be NEFT or IMPS.